Toyota's best-selling midsize three-row crossover, the Highlander, is about to take a shocking turn, electrified enough to turn heads. Despite its strong reputation for reliability and family-friendly design, sales of the standard Highlander have slipped by nearly half this year compared to 2024, not because buyers are abandoning Toyota but because they're flocking to the larger Grand Highlander instead. To stop cannibalizing its own lineup and carve out a fresh identity for the Highlander nameplate, Toyota is reportedly preparing to re-engineer it as a fully electric SUV, likely as a 2027 model. The shift marks a dramatic pivot. Rather than discontinuing the smaller Highlander to make room for its bigger sibling, Toyota plans to keep both in showrooms, one gas-powered Grand Highlander for those craving extra space and a zero-emissions Highlander EV for eco-minded families. According to Automotive News, the combustion engine Highlander's 2025 redesign will actually lay the groundwork for its battery-electric successor, with production possibly kicking off in late 2025 and first deliveries landing in early 2026 under the 2027 model year banner. Although Toyota hasn't officially confirmed the name, the company did state it plans to produce two all-new three-row battery electric SUVs in the U.S., fueling speculation that the smaller of the two will carry the Highlander badge into the electric era. As for branding, Toyota may finally retire its BZ EV scheme, short for Beyond Zero, after mixed reactions to the BZ4X crossover and its follow-up, the BZ Woodland. Instead, the electric Highlander would join the revived CHR EV, signaling a return to familiar nameplates that resonate with buyers. Under the surface, this next-gen Highlander EV is likely to share architecture with Toyota's emerging TNGA EV platform, the same underpinning slated for future SUVs and sedans. That means a floor-mounted battery pack for a low center of gravity, dual-motor all-wheel drive for confident handling, and fast-charging capability to rival the competition. While powertrain details remain under wraps, expect output and range figures designed to match or exceed rivals like the Ford Explorer EV and Volkswagen Atlas EV in the crowded family hauler segment. Why does this matter? Toyota has long ridden the wave of hybrid leadership with models like the RAV4 Prime and Sienna Hybrid. Going fully electric with a marquee three-row SUV positions the brand to capture growing demand for EVs among larger family households, especially in markets like California and Europe where zero-emissions mandates are tightening sales rules. By leveraging a trusted name and proven design, Toyota can offer a familiar yet futuristic option that feels both new and reassuringly Highlander. As the industry accelerates toward an electrified lineup, the prospect of a Highlander EV shows Toyota's strategic balancing act, serving traditional SUV buyers while boldly embracing an all-electric future. Keep your eyes on the dealership in 2026. You might just drive away in a Highlander that whispers, silent, instead of V6.